everyone.
Hi.
I'm here today to cook something really yummy. It's a Southern comfort food for me anyway, and I'm sure it might be a comfort food for you too. Today I'm cooking chicken and dressing casserole. So I've got my little helper here. Well, she's not little, but anyway, I've got my best helper here. She's been helping me prepare stuff, getting it ready. So let's get cooking. All right, what you will need to cook this yummy chicken and dressing casserole is you will need 4 cups of cornbread. So go ahead and make your cornbread and then crumble it up. 4 cups of it. You will need 4 chicken breasts. And go ahead and you cook them however you want to cook them. I boiled mine. And then you cube it up. So that's 4 chicken breasts. You will need 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. A half a teaspoon of poultry seasoning, which is optional. If you don't want to add it, you don't have to. Four boiled eggs, and chop them up. A half of an onion chopped up. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. One large celery stalk chopped up. 2 cups of chicken broth, and I just used my broth from when I boiled my chicken. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And last, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. You will also need to get you a 9 by 13 baking dish and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Okay, go ahead and set your oven on 350 degrees and get it to warming. This is a very simple dish to make because you take all the ingredients that I just told you, you put them all in a bowl, mix them up, and put them in your greased casserole dish. And then you bake it. That's all you do. So it's really, really easy. A spoon for that. So we're putting in the cornbread. Everything that I told you about. The eggs. The onion. Celery. Smells so good already. I may need a bigger bowl. Okay, I had to change bowls because my bowl was too small. All right. Put the chicken in. So like I said, all your ingredients that I told you earlier, all of them, they go in all at once. You mix it up, and then you put it in your greased casserole baking dish. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. All right, let's go ahead and stir it around. Smells like Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner. You just want to get it all evenly distributed. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to just put it in our greased casserole dish. And then we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to bake it. All right. Now you can make, after it's all done and you're sitting at the table, ahead of time, if you want to make some giblet gravy to go on top of this, or get you some, go to the store and get you the gravy packets, or if you want to get the gravy in the jar, whatever. If you want a gravy to go with this, then that's fine too. I do have a giblet gravy recipe on one of my videos, just so you know. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put it in the oven that's already heated at 350 degrees. And when I get back, I'll tell you how long that I've baked it. All right, everybody, it's out. Looking good. It's got my house smelling like Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. I cooked it at 350 for 45 minutes. So there you go. Let's see if we can get a taste test. All right, I got me a taste out. And it is piping hot. So let me get a little bit of a bite here. I have to blow it. Oh, that is so delicious. It's just like having a holiday meal all over again. The dressing is moist and tasty. You can taste the chicken. So there you go, everyone. Chicken and dressing casserole, so easy to make. I hope y'all have fun making it, and until my next video, happy eating.